seen people spend 15 grand on a custom media wall and then ruin it all by framing a spinning piece of tinfoil in the middle. Before you touch a single sheet of drywall, let's talk about Magic Flame, Dimplex, and Touchstone. 3 completely different technologies, 3 completely different price points, and only one of them actually looks like real fire. See, electric, it's basically the only realistic option for most modern builds. You don't need to run any gas lines or venting, and you ain't waiting for a city inspector to come out. Literally, it's just plug and play. But the gap between a $400 unit and a $4,000 unit, it's not the same technology, like, at all. And if you don't know the difference going in, know what you're getting into, you will absolutely make the wrong call and have to live with it in your living room for the next decade.
A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
But yeah, let's get into it, and we'll start with what's even going on inside these things, because the way the fire gets faked is completely different depending on which unit you're looking at. The cheapest and most common method, so basically everything under $1,000, is called mechanical LED reflection. They put a little metal rod inside the box, covered in foil cutouts with a little motor that spins it. Then an LED shines onto it, and it throws a moving shadow on a frosted screen. That's it. That's the whole trick. I'm telling you, from growing up with one at home, your brain figures it out in like 10 seconds. The pattern just repeats ad nauseum. It's flat, it's two-dimensional, and after a few months, that motor actually starts to warp from the heat, and you get this rhythmic, like clicking noise coming out of your wall, like right over your TV audio. Ain't nothing you can do about it at all. So let's see what happens when you spend just a little bit of money. Okay, the next step up is LCD-based systems, which is what Dimplex is doing. And I gotta say, it is genuinely striking. Get this big, bright, high-res image, and inside the firebox, they put angled mirrors, which do well enough to give it depth. Obviously, it's still a screen behind glass, and the flames don't have any physical body to wrap around, but it's a beautiful screensaver. There is a little downside here, which is there's no built-in sound, which I think is kind of BS at $5 grand or something. If you want that nice crackle, you gotta buy a whole separate Bluetooth speaker, and to actually use the full heating capacity they advertise, you actually need to bring in an electrician and hardwire a dedicated 240 volt circuit. That is a real cost that won't show up on the brochure. About the same price, a little less actually, is Magic Flame. And I will preface this by saying this is the one I have in my own home here. They filmed actual fires in high definition and projected that footage onto a physical 3-dimensional log set inside the unit. The light wraps around the logs with texture and shadows, and because the source material is actual fire, you get all that chaos that a rendered loop just can't replicate. You know, the soot, the cooling embers, the flame tips doing whatever they want. Your brain won't catch a repeating pattern because there isn't one. These start at $3,500, which definitely ain't nothing, and it's heavy. But there are no moving parts to warp or click. You frame it in and it just runs. If you're thinking one of these might be up your alley, I dropped an affiliate link below. It's a super easy way to support the channel, and besides, it's all the same price, so no skin off your back. Now, looking pretty is one thing, actually warming the room is another entirely. And this is where some of these units frankly embarrass themselves. Because all 3 can just run fine on a standard 120 volt outlet and push out somewhere around 5,000-ish BTUs of heat. But all heat is not created equal. And the benefit to you when you are sitting in your living room is a completely different story. Touchstone caps out at heating around 400 square feet, which, look, for a bedroom or home office, that's fine. But if you got any kind of open concept anything, that's just gonna warm the air directly in front of it and call it a day. Magic Flame and Dimplex both cover up to 1,000 square feet, though, like I mentioned, Dimplex is gonna need the 240 volt hardware, so factor that in. But the bigger idea here and how it can actually save you some money is called zone heating. Basically, instead of running your central HVAC to heat the entire house, the empty bedrooms, the hallway, the bathroom no one's in, you drop the main thermostat a few degrees and let the fireplace handle the room you're sitting in. Just as an example, Magic Flame costs around 18 cents an hour to run the heat. Over a whole winter, that will absolutely chip away at your utility bill. And the cool thing is, because the visuals and the heat aren't tied to one another by, actual combustion, you can run the fire with zero heat in the middle of July just for the vibe. It costs basically nothing. That's something a gas unit could never do. So with all that on the table, which is the right choice to pull the trigger on really just comes down to your own situation. If you're just renting for a year or you need to take the chill out of a small room, honestly, go grab a budget unit off Amazon, call it a day. The Touchstone is a solid option if you want something that looks halfway decent and plays nice with Alexa and Google Home. Just know what you're getting into visually. Dimplex is a tough sell. I'm sorry, don't get me wrong, it's a gorgeous piece of modern design, and if you're building a commercial space or some massive open concept room and you want real structural, architectural statement, yeah, for sure, go ahead. But you're paying $5,000 and then calling an electrician on top of that, and you still don't get a fire that looks like fire. For most homes, that math just ain't mathin'. Magic Flame is the one for the person who's building something permanent. You're framing this into a custom wall. You want it to actually feel like a hearth when the lights go down, and you don't want to be pulling it out of the drywall in 3 years because the motor died. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but this is not just an appliance, it is the singular focal point that anchors the entire room. And once it's in, it becomes part of your home. Electric fireplaces have come a long way in the last couple of decades, and the gap between the uber cheap stuff and genuine quality is massive. And if you're building something that you want to be proud of, even a decade down the line, Magic Flame is the one I'd recommend. That's about all for this one. I really appreciate y'all sticking around to the end. If you want to look into Magic Flame some more, that affiliate link really is the best way to go about it. It helps us keep the lights on, and it literally does not cost you a single dime. Also, if you're a brand and you want to work with us or even sponsor a future video, my email is down in the description as well. If you got any questions about my specific setup in my home, or just electric fireplaces in general, drop that down in the comments. I love hearing from y'all, and I'll answer as many as I can. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.